Hi. This is Holmes Guide. Hey there. Welcome to our channel. If you're passionate about digital art or looking to take your creative skills to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best pen tablets for drawing on the market. These tablets are game changers, offering exceptional precision, vibrant color displays, and an array of features designed to make your artwork truly shine. Whether you're a professional artist or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. From sleek, high-resolution displays to versatile, responsive pen technology, each option on our list has been selected to help you create stunning masterpieces. So check the link in the description below to find out more and choose the perfect pen tablet for you. Number 5. Wacom Cintiq Pro 16 Creative Pen and Touch Display, 2021 version, 4K graphic drawing monitor with 8192 pen pressure and 98% Adobe RGB, DTH167K0A. Black stands out as a top choice for artists and designers seeking high precision and top-tier performance in their digital drawing tools. The tablet is equipped with Wacom's most advanced pen technology, providing 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and virtually lag-free tracking. This ensures that every stroke is captured with incredible accuracy, allowing for a highly responsive drawing experience. The 16-inch display features 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160 pixels, delivering exceptional detail and clarity, and the 98% Adobe RGB color gamut ensures that colors are vivid and true to life, making it perfect for professional-level artwork. The Cintiq Pro 16 also enhances usability with its multi-touch gestures and on-screen controls, allowing for intuitive navigation and easy access to tools. The tablet includes 2 customizable pen side switches and 8 express keys located on the rear edge of the display, which can be programmed for quick access to your most frequently used functions, thus streamlining your workflow. The etched glass screen not only reduces glare and reflections but also provides a tactile feedback that closely resembles drawing on traditional paper, enhancing the overall drawing experience. For added value, registering your Cintiq Pro 16 grants access to a 90-day trial of software like Toon Boom Harmony and Storyboard Pro, Capture One, and MASV, offering additional resources and tools to further boost your creative projects. This model is well-suited for those looking for one of the best pen tablets for drawing, combining cutting-edge technology with practical features to meet the needs of both professional artists and enthusiasts. Number 4. XPPen PD1161 Drawing Tablet with Screen is a standout option among the best pen tablets for drawing, thanks to its comprehensive feature set tailored for both professional artists and enthusiasts. The tablet's 11.6-inch Full HD IPS display provides a clear and vibrant viewing experience, essential for precise drawing and editing. Its matte film screen mimics the texture of paper, which minimizes glare and reduces eye strain, offering a more natural and comfortable drawing experience. The XPPen PD1161 excels in color accuracy with its 72% NTSC, 100% sRGB, color gamut and support for 16.7 million colors, ensuring that your artwork is rendered with true-to-life colors and smooth gradations. The battery-free AP50 stylus included with the tablet features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt support, providing the responsiveness and control akin to a traditional pencil, without the need for recharging. The tablet also comes equipped with 8 programmable shortcut keys and 2 customizable pen buttons, allowing for personalized workflow enhancements and quick access to frequently used tools. Although it requires connection to a computer running Windows 7 or later, or Mac OS 10.12 or later, its broad software compatibility makes it versatile for various creative and professional applications. You can use it with popular graphic design software such as Krita, Metabang, Blender, Photoshop, and Sai, as well as digital note-taking and remote collaboration tools like OneNote, Microsoft Whiteboard, and Zoom. The XPPen PD1161 package includes everything needed to get started: a battery-free stylus, a pen holder, 8 replacement nibs, a drawing glove, a 3-in-2 USB cable, an AC adapter, and a quick guide, making it a well-rounded and efficient tool for digital art creation and productivity. Number 3. Simban's Picasso Tab X Drawing Tablet is designed to meet the needs of aspiring digital artists and students seeking a versatile tool for creative and academic endeavors. This standalone tablet eliminates the need for a computer, making it incredibly convenient for drawing, animation, and note-taking. It comes with a precision stylus pen and pre-installed drawing and animation apps, ensuring that users have everything they need right out of the box. The Picasso Tab X features a 10-inch IPS HD screen, which delivers sharp, vibrant images and accurate colors, enhancing the visual experience for artists and viewers alike. Powered by a MediaTek quad-core processor, this tablet offers smooth performance and efficient multitasking, allowing users to switch between applications seamlessly. The 64 GB of internal storage provides ample space for a wide range of apps, files, and projects, making it easy to store and access your creative work. The Picasso Tab X also stands out for its connectivity options. With built-in Wi-Fi, users can easily connect to the internet and access online resources wherever they go. The micro HDMI port allows for effortless connection to larger displays, perfect for viewing your work on a bigger screen or enjoying media content. Additional features include GPS for location-based services and a USB Type-C port for fast data transfer and charging. Included with the tablet are 4 bonus items: a premium tablet case, a drawing glove to enhance comfort and precision, a universal power adapter for charging convenience, and a pre-installed screen protector to keep your display in pristine condition. Certified by GMS, FCC, and CE, the Picasso Tab X ensures high standards of safety and quality, backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support for a reliable and satisfying user experience. Number 2. Huion Canvas Pro 16 Drawing Tablet with Screen, 15.6-inch pen display anti-glare glass 6 shortcut keys adjustable stand is an exceptional choice for artists and designers seeking a high-quality pen tablet. This drawing tablet boasts a 15.6-inch full laminated screen with anti-glare glass, offering immersive visuals with outstanding clarity and fine detail. The smooth texture on the graphics drawing monitor provides a natural drawing experience, enhancing precision and comfort. With a 120% sRGB, 92% Adobe RGB, color gamut and 16.7 million 8-bit colors, the Canvas Pro 16 ensures vibrant and true-to-life color representation. The 1000:1 contrast ratio allows for sharper and more defined shadow details. Workflow is optimized with 6 customizable express keys and a touch bar, allowing quick access to favorite shortcuts and efficient control over brush size, zooming, and other functions. The adjustable stand ST200 supports a range of angles from 20 to 60 degrees, promoting ergonomic comfort and reducing strain on the neck, shoulders, and back. The tablet features an advanced pen with battery-free technology, providing accurate, responsive performance, 60 degrees tilt recognition, and virtually lag-free tracking. The pen includes 2 programmable side buttons for additional functionality. Connectivity is streamlined with a 3-in-1 USB-C cable that supports HDMI signals, reducing cable clutter and enabling versatile connections. Compatible with Windows 7 or later, macOS 10.12 or later, and Linux, Ubuntu, the Canvas Pro 16 integrates seamlessly with creative software like Adobe Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, and Lightroom. Note that the Canvas Pro 16 requires connection to a computer or laptop to operate, making it an excellent choice for the best pen tablets for drawing. Number 1. XPPen Artist 24 Pro is a premier drawing tablet designed for artists who demand high performance and precision. Its expansive 23.8-inch display, coupled with a sharp 2.5K resolution, 2560 by 1440, provides an ample canvas for detailed artwork, ensuring every brushstroke and detail is captured with exceptional clarity. The tablet's 90% Adobe RGB color gamut guarantees vibrant and accurate colors, enhancing your creative expression and allowing for true-to-life color representation. With its USB-C to USB-C connection capability, the Artist 24 Pro offers a hassle-free setup with your iMac, MacBook Pro, or Windows PC, eliminating the need for additional adapters and ensuring a stable, high-speed connection. The tablet features 2 precision red dial wheels and 20 customizable shortcut keys, which can be easily programmed to suit your workflow preferences, whether you're left or right-handed. This feature significantly improves efficiency, allowing for quick access to frequently used tools and commands. The adjustable stand provides ergonomic flexibility, letting you set the tablet at the optimal angle for comfortable drawing sessions. The XPPen Artist 24 Pro is compatible with Windows 10.8.7 and Mac OS X 10.10 and higher, ensuring broad software compatibility. It also supports popular digital art programs, including ArtRage 5, OpenCanvas, and Cartoon Animator 4 Pipeline, enhancing its versatility for different artistic needs. This combination of high resolution, color accuracy, and customizable controls makes the XPPen Artist 24 Pro an exceptional choice for artists seeking a professional-grade pen tablet with advanced features. In conclusion, choosing the right pen tablet can significantly enhance your drawing experience, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist. We've explored a range of options, from budget-friendly models to high-end tablets packed with features. Each tablet has its unique strengths, so think about what suits your needs best, be it pressure sensitivity, screen size, or compatibility with your preferred software. Investing in a quality pen tablet can elevate your creativity and productivity, making your art creation process smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share for more update videos, and let us know in the comments which pen tablet you're excited to try.